Hi everyone, welcome to the Namlish way. I am Namita, and on this channel you get to watch a lot of videos related to English language which will help you improve your overall English and especially your fluency for the spoken English. For today's video, it is going to be one in continuation of the series in my last video, which was about nouns, where I told you that I will be posting separate videos on each part of speech. There was a video that I uploaded quite some time back about the parts of speech. Today it is going to be the second video of the series. So the first one was nouns. If you have not seen it about the nouns, I'll link it somewhere over here. So the second one today that I'm going to talk about, the second part of speech, is pronoun. You already know what a pronoun is. Just to brief it to you a bit, a pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun in a sentence. So when it is taking place of a noun, so it usually refers to something which is already mentioned. And why? When something is already mentioned, that means why we are using it again, so that we can avoid the repetition. Like suppose if I say that Namita is having a YouTube channel. Okay, Namita posts a video every week. Namita is currently working on the grammar portion. Now, isn't it sounding too much of the name? Too much of a noun is being used. I am continuously saying Namita, Namita, Namita. So if I, instead of using Namita, if I substitute it with she. Namita has a channel. She is posting regularly on her channel. She is currently working on some grammar skills. She is working very hard for her channel. So now she, her, all of them are pronouns. So now like this, here I have replaced the noun Namita, which is a name, with a pronoun she and also her. Now let me talk to you all about pronouns in details. So majorly there are three types of pronouns. The first one is personal pronouns, the second one is possessive pronouns, and the third one is reflexive pronouns. Now what are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are used for person or things like I, you, we, he, she, it, them, us, like this. So here we are talking about persons or things. Now the second one, the possessive pronouns, are used to talk about the things belonging to people. Like if I say this channel is mine, so I am talking about a belongingness. Mine, yours, theirs, hers, its, ours. So basically we are talking about the belonging feeling in the second part of possessive pronouns. The third type of pronouns, the reflexive pronouns, are used as the object of the verbs. Like if I say myself, yourself, himself, herself, their selves, ourselves, itself. For example, if I say that I don't take help from anyone for making my videos, I do it all by myself. So myself, I have not started the sentence with myself. I have in fact used it as the object of the verb. Do you know that when we use pronouns in a subject, it is used in like three categories, like the first person, the second person, and the third person. By first person, I mean that I'm talking about myself. Like in a conversation, I'm having a conversation with you all. So it is the first person is me, that is I. And you are the second person because you are present in the conversation, or we are right there in the moment. But there is a third person who is at that moment not present. So we refer to them as she, he, it, they. So these, if you can categorize it well, these first person, second person, and third person, if you can easily distinguish between the three, then the placement of the pronouns can be really easy. Let me show you in detail that how we use the first person, second person, and third person in these three pronouns that we have discussed, that is personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. Have a look. When used as a subject, the personal pronouns in first person, second person, and third person for singular are I, you, he, she, and it, and for plural it is we, you, and they. When used as an object, personal pronouns singular for first, second, and third person are me, you, him, her, it, and for plural they are us, you, and them. For the possessive pronouns, the first person singular is mine, second is yours, third is his or hers, and for plural it's ours, yours, and theirs. So this is how we use pronouns. This was all a briefing about the pronouns. I would not get into too much of the details, but yeah, this is all that you need to know to have a good command over your language. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are looking for good English classes, and consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch more such videos. Give me suggestions. What would you like to have your next sessions on? And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.